Life, a miracle in the universe. Snow-clad mountains, scenic tropical islands, benevolent coral reefs and what not. The lovely blue pearl in the solar system, Mother Earth, is also home to vast spreads of barren, futile, sun-baked wastelands. And Tamil Nadu is no exception to it. The district of Theni is crouched at the foothills of the Western Ghats. It's a land of scenic beauty and captivating brilliance. Home to the famous Vaigai Dam, the district stands testament to one of the nation's most undisputed problems, wastelands. The district, such as many other districts in Tamil Nadu, is primarily rain-fed. The fertility of lands lost to time, Theni houses acres and acres of virtually uncultivable lands. And we enter into 80 hectares of foreign exchange SNV horticultural farms. On what was called barren until 10 years ago is this massive expanse of 100% organic farm of Alfonso mangoes and tender coconuts, each and every fruit entering the foreign trade.
They say about spray பண்றீங்க அதன் காரணமாக காற்று கிடக்கூடாது. நீங்க உபயோகப்படுத்தக்கூடிய இன்புட்ஸ் மண்ணுக்கு போடுறீங்க அதனால மண் கிடக்கூடாது.
SNV Farm practices every principle of organic farming to satisfy its foreign buyers. The enterprise brought a turnover of a whopping 7.5 crores in 5 years. The cost of a single mango somewhere between rupees 200 to 250, and clearly the production is in a rising trend. Trichy, the city of temples and rocks and rocks and rocks. We take you to one of the most successful organic establishments in the state, Saraswati Krishi Vigyan Kendra. The Kaveri, once thought to flow forever, has now reduced to a trickle. What was once 100 acres of rocky, barren wasteland is now a productive, fertile, sustainable agricultural land. In the words of Dr. Vallal Kannan, Program Coordinator at the KVK, there is a harvest of 5 tons in a plot within the KVK premises in comparison to 4.5 tons in a similar plot outside. But how was all this possible? Integrated, natural, organic farming. It would be a crime to say that this farming method is new to India. Integrating piggeries, self-sustained dairy units, sheep rearing, etc. has been the very essence of ancient Indian agriculture. This is precisely what is done in the KVK to produce farmyard manure to reclaim soils and enhance their fertility and produce sustainable yields from barren lands like these. But why to go organic? Is it so necessary? The answer is in front of your eyes. 1/3 of all CO2 emissions come from changes in land use. 2/3 of CH4 and most of N2O emissions originate from modern agriculture, thereby totaling to 15% of all GHG emissions in the 1990s. As a consequence, the polar ice caps shrink at unimaginably faster rates and mean sea level rises at an alarming speed, and in this, both big and small, none is spared. It has been estimated that between 75 to 250 million people are expected to experience increased water stress in Africa. In all affected regions, the poor will be disproportionately vulnerable to its effects because of their dependence on agriculture and their lower capacity to adapt. And then there will be no turning back to get the last drop of water. If going organic is economical and eco-friendly, why not go for it? We have less than a decade to undo the wrong unleashed by humans. It's too late to be pessimistic. Imagine lush, natural, organic, sustainable farmlands in the lines of the success models of SNV and Saraswati KVK. Imagine nothing futile. Imagine organic. The soil cries out to us, feed me to feed you.